Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Love Wildflower and I'm coming at you today with another holiday hair tutorial. I am getting ready to go to a birthday party for one of my really good friends, and so I thought it'd be a really good idea for me to show you guys like a fun way to pin up your hair to go to a party. Another way that I spice up my twist outs and wear my hair up. I'm going to show you guys my hair. It is in little braids right now, and actually guys, I don't wear makeup every day, so tonight is one of those nights I'm going out and I'm not gonna wear makeup. As you can see, my hair is in just some protective braids that I had last night that I slept in. What you're gonna need for this today is chunky bobby pins, a hair tie, and my go-to, coconut oil. So you're gonna take the coconut oil. Like I was telling you guys in every video, I never manipulate my hair with dry hands. And I'm just going to remove my braids from this little bun I had them in. These are the braids that I slept in last night. This is how I always do my hair at nighttime when I'm sleeping. I'm just going to take my braids out and fluff out my twist out. So just a moment of transparency. Like I was saying, I don't wear makeup every day, but I'm sure you guys can see that I'm having a breakout right now. I've on and off throughout my entire life been really insecure about my skin because I've never had that like picture perfect flawless skin. But you know, the Holy Spirit today was like, don't wear any makeup, so I'm gonna confidently rock it, and it is what it is. I think the Lord is really taking me to a different place just in being confident in Him and who He's created me to be. That doesn't mean that I won't ever wear makeup again, but today I won't. Super excited to go to my friend's party tonight. So I want to let you guys know too, my hair is really soft, so I'll have to review some of the products. One of my friends asked for a product review. I'll have to review some of the products that I washed my hair with because I'm noticing that it's really soft and it feels really good right now. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. What do I want for first day? Some bomb hair products for me. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me tickets to the Lion King on Broadway. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a trip to Rio, baby. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to like be reversing through this song, right? Like 4 and 3. Oh, I didn't do the numbers part. Okay, so that's not gonna work. You could give me 3 trips to Rio, 2 tickets to the Lion King, 3 trips to Rio. I'll take it. First day, I mean, I don't want just one hair product, but you can give me like 1 basket of hair products, you know? So this is the last spray that I'm gonna take out. So that is my hair. That's my hair. I would turn all the way around, try to turn all the way around. So now what I'm going to do is pin it up on the top of my head. Well, maybe not pin it up, pull it up on the top of my head. So, and what I usually do is just flip my hair up. And pull it up. Now here's where you really need to decide what's gonna work best for pulling your hair up. I'm gonna attempt first to use this. I want it to be kind of loose. Actually, I want it to be very loose. I don't want it to be, so I just put it around once. Let's see how that works out. Look at me looking like I just stepped out of 1984, honey. I think I want it more this way. Can you guys see that? So it's definitely kind of long. I'm gonna see what I can do with my bangs. We gonna finesse it, y'all. Usually when I do this particular hairstyle, my hair is a lot more shrunken and not so stretched, so it kind of sits up and not like flops to the front. So those are my bangs. So what I really want, let's see. I don't love that. Okay, we're gonna start over. Okay, plan 2. So here is where I was telling you guys that you can fix any hairstyle. Like, you try something and you don't like it, my go-to is always a mohawk, classic mohawk, or pull back one side, fluff out the other side, edge wax. And then I'm adding a brush. What we're gonna do is the edge wax. Go ahead and twist this part. There we go. So much better. This is so much shorter, but I just kind of stick them. Stick them on the flat twist. And hopefully you guys can see that. That's it. Like I said, you guys, my intention, honestly, the reason why my videos are longer is because I really want to teach people how to do their hair, but also teach them what to do when like your hair just doesn't do, sorry, it's a little oily there, what to do when your hair just doesn't do what you want it to do, and just hacks and ways to fix it. This is, for me, the #1 go-to style when my hair is just not doing what I want it to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, and this is actually also another hairstyle that I like doing for the holidays because it's just really fun, especially if you like gonna rock it with some heels and a cute dress. So it still worked out. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon for another holiday hair tutorial. And also, let me know what you guys want to see. I know a couple people have commented, and I'm going to start making videos based off of people's responses. But let me know what y'all want to see. Is there any type of hairstyle? Do y'all want to see me roll or set my hair? Do some curls? Have a good night, guys. Bye.